One of the Cybertruck owner has shared a sobering account of his Cybertruck's destructibility. The Cybertruck owner told his ordeal, attempting to get his Cybertruck fixed following a minor fender bender. The owner said, "The cost and wait time to fix the Cybertruck is extremely high and long. So you wish you would never ever get into any accident, even a small one like this." A small damage to the bottom grille ended up with an estimate of $13,304, and it has been sitting at Tesla for 2 months now and another month to repair. The list of parts to be replaced was huge. Even the labor hours are 37.2 hours. Looking at the damages, the Cybertruck's front grille is slightly deformed, and the black plastic piece is cracked. Besides that, the Cybertruck is in perfect condition. Going only by the pictures, it's easy to determine that the accident this Cybertruck was involved in was very minor and likely at very low speeds.